So ever since I wanted to open YouTube, I wanted to introduce my cute little pup, that is Scoop, but I did not get that cool opportunity to reveal my cute pup. So here am I with my cute little pup, that is Scoop. We together wish mom a happy birthday. So this is Sandeep and this is Scoop, welcoming to our channel, that is Art AF. So as I've said you, this is Scoop and she's a bit camera nervous, so she's not facing the camera right now. So wowing Scoop, bye bye, let's start our sketch. If you're constantly putting your eyes on that ant who kinda spoiled my video and forcefully wanted to make an entry in my video, then let me tell you, you are a lovely observant. Uh-oh, fallen short of steps. No worries, I've just drawn the basic human model till now. Just a brief outlining and here we get a smooth finished outlined sketch. Before starting anything, I would strictly suggest to use a clean paper to put up your fist on and then start sketching. See, I too did the same. After you are done with a good line model, scribble your pencil and shade areas lightly. I'd emphasize the word lightly just to make you guys aware that putting a lot of pressure on the paper with your pencil will give you marks which could not be corrected further. Keep a picture alongside when you sketch the painting and do refer to it time and again when you need for it. Getting over with a beautiful hand and jumping over those lovely eyes. Coloring Scoop is fun. His black coat makes things easier. Together want to shoot this and say you that we love you this much. So this is what I've got after the first complete shade. Now I will take a small cotton cloth, a wipe or a tissue paper for that purpose and rub the areas with it. So ever since I started painting, I have thought of a thing that I would love to make a A1 size portrait of my mother because she loves beauty and she loves her beauty more, and but I could not make it till now. And once you are done with it, re-outline the outlines, the previous outlines, and make those darker. Following the same steps again, I've got this. So yeah, towards your left is a picture I'm making the sketch of. But I tried to modify the sofa. So to do that, I visited my drawing room. I visited for one more time. I revisited for the third time, and this time I took the picture with me. And adding some more detailings to the sofa. Wait, let me just turn the camera and zoom in the detailings. Today, it's not about me, not about my paintings, even not about Scoop. I would like to share my 2 minutes with my viewers that today's video isn't for likes and subscribers as well. It is a confession of a baby to his mother for abundance, love, respect, and affection on a very birthday. And that's it. So we are in a good position now. Yeah, silent. Oh, she just went to wish my mom a happy birthday. That's it. Anyways, she listens to me every single day and she respects my command. A small promise to my mom, that is, Ma, you have created this soul, you have created me for a reason, to make you proud and make you happy till eternity. That's it, your loving child.